Is everything in place?
Yeah, I'm waiting at the spot.
Did you give Dee the floor plan?
He's running late.
All right. Just stick to the plan and make sure Rush goes in first.
Yeah, I know.
I mean it.
All right.
Make sure he goes in first.
All right.
Good.
Veronica,
What is it?
who do you love?
When the job is done, you'll know.
God damn it, man. I told you to finish that guy off.
The guy was fucking unarmed.
I don't give a fuck. You pull that shit down, I'm gonna put you in the back of the fuck man.
Cut that shit out.
Fuck off me,
We
D.
need to move on to the next job.
The next job? The one you guys just did was it. I've been working on that for months. There is no next job.
We'll get your ass back on that drawing board because we didn't get it.
How'd you fuck this up? I gave you guys key cards. Shit, I even gave Dee a floor plan.
Yeah, well, that fucking floor plan led us to the wrong room. Where the fuck are you going? Don't fucking move.
Whoa, come on, man. Just put the gun down.
No, man, I think this bitch just played us.
Just put the gun down and we'll figure it
There's
out.
nothing to figure out, D. Me and DL walked into a room with no safe.
You and DL? Dee had the floor plan.
I gave him to DL so I can go in first to secure the guards.
Rush had to go in first.
Me and DL went in for the tape.
What?
What the fuck is she saying, D? Why did it take you so long to come out and give us the okay to come in?
I had to secure the guards.
That building is all key cards and passcodes. There are no guards.
I did good, right, baby?
Yeah, you did real good.
Now it's just you and me. Let me hear the words.
Okay.